option is really, really important because you can't be shut out of important things in life just because your hands don't work the same as everyone else.
That is amazing. How good is that? That gives you a really great purchase to be able to pull. Yeah, that's perfect. I wish they all came with that. That's really good.
I mean that I can open things with ease, that I don't have to think about it, that I don't have to ask another person to actually open that or wait till a support person comes in to open that package. It gives me freedom and choice. Again, it's got the ridges on the side, which gives me a little bit more grip, and I've opened it.
Struggling the products just makes me frustrated the first one. I get frustrated initially, then I get angry, then I try and find a solution, and often the solution is finding an alternative product to purchase. So SPC, you've got this tactile version of it. It's a longer tab and tactile, so it's a little bit perforations on the side of it. And the ones I've used before, it's a fairly simple solution. The glue is minimal. And really easy to remove the lid. Well done, SPC. It's fantastic design. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
And they work. It's freedom. We're not relying on people. Why was that so easy?